Let's wrap up the OPIC. This chapter is about dealing with banking, hotel, reservation, free time, holiday.
Banking. 158. Describe the common banks in Korea. Question. Can you describe the common banks in Korea? Storyline. Korea's major banks, range of financial services, advancements in online and mobile banking, importance of customer service, conclusion. Answer. In Korea, several major banks dominate the financial landscape, including KB Kookmin Bank, Shinhan Bank, Woori Bank, and Hana Bank. These banks offer a wide range of financial services, from basic savings and checking accounts to loans, mortgages, and investment products. In recent years, there has been significant advancement in online and mobile banking, making it easier for customers to manage their finances from anywhere. Customer service is also a key focus, with banks providing various support channels to assist clients. These banks play a crucial role in Korea's economy and are integral to everyday financial activities. 159. Describe the tasks you usually do when you visit a bank. Question. Can you describe the tasks you usually do when you visit a bank? Storyline. Reasons for visiting a bank, common tasks, deposits, withdrawals, account opening, loan consultation, waiting time and service, conclusion. Answer. When I visit a bank, it is usually for a specific purpose such as depositing or withdrawing money, opening a new account, or consulting about a loan. Upon arrival, I typically take a number and wait for my turn, which can vary in length depending on how busy the bank is. The bank staff are generally helpful and efficient, ensuring that my transactions are handled smoothly. If I need to open a new account or inquire about a loan, I usually have a more detailed discussion with a bank representative. Overall, my visits to the bank are straightforward and essential for managing my financial matters. 160. Compare the banks from your childhood to the banks today. Question. Can you compare the banks from your childhood to the banks today? Storyline. Appearance and functions of banks in childhood, advancements in current banks, introduction of online and mobile banking, changes in service, conclusion. Answer. Banks have changed significantly from when I was a child to now. Back then, banking was a more manual process, with long lines and extensive paperwork for even simple transactions. The services were limited to basic banking needs like deposits, withdrawals, and account management. Today, banks have evolved dramatically, incorporating advanced technology to streamline operations. Online and mobile banking have revolutionized how we manage our finances, allowing us to perform transactions, check balances, and even apply for loans from the comfort of our homes. Customer service has also improved, with more personalized and efficient support. These changes have made banking much more convenient and accessible. 161. Describe a problem you experienced with banking and how you resolved it. Question. Can you describe a problem you experienced with banking and how you resolved it? Storyline. Problem encountered, bank transfer error. Waiting time, inconvenience caused by the problem. Solution, staff help, use of online services, conclusion. Answer. I once encountered a problem with a bank transfer where the funds did not reach the intended recipient due to an error in the account number. This issue caused significant inconvenience as the transfer was time-sensitive. To resolve the problem, I immediately contacted the bank's customer service. The bank representative was very helpful and promptly initiated an investigation. They confirmed the error and reversed the transaction. To ensure the correct transfer, I re-entered the details carefully and successfully completed the transaction. This experience highlighted the importance of double-checking transaction details and the value of responsive customer service in resolving banking issues. Hotel. 162. Describe the common hotels in Korea. Question. Can you describe the common hotels in Korea? Storyline. Major hotel chains in Korea, range of services and amenities, hotels for business and leisure travelers, location and accessibility, conclusion. Answer. In Korea, there are several well-known hotel chains that cater to both business and leisure travelers. These include luxurious hotels like the Lotte Hotel, Sheila Hotel, and Hyatt Regency, which offer a wide range of services and amenities. These hotels typically feature comfortable rooms, excellent dining options, fitness centers, spas, and business facilities such as conference rooms. Many of these hotels are located in major cities, providing convenient access to transportation, shopping, and tourist attractions. The high standard of service and comprehensive facilities make these hotels popular choices for travelers in Korea. 163. Describe what you do when you arrive at a hotel and when you typically stay in hotels. Question. Can you describe what you do when you arrive at a hotel and when you typically stay in hotels? Storyline. Arrival process at a hotel, check-in, room assignment, occasions for staying in hotels, vacation, business trips, conclusion. Answer. When I arrive at a hotel, the first thing I do is check in at the reception desk. The staff verifies my reservation, assigns me a room, and provides me with the key or key card. They also give me information about the hotel's amenities and services. I usually stay in hotels during vacations or business trips. For vacations, I prefer hotels with good leisure facilities such as a pool, spa, and convenient access to local attractions. During business trips, I look for hotels that offer business services like meeting rooms and high-speed internet. These stays help make my trips more comfortable and convenient. 164. Describe a memorable hotel and explain why it was memorable. Question. Can you describe a memorable hotel and explain why it was memorable? Storyline. Memorable hotel's name and location, hotel's features and services, special reasons, experience, service, conclusion. Answer. One of the most memorable hotels I stayed at was the Sheila Hotel in Seoul. Located in the heart of the city, this hotel offered stunning views of the surrounding skyline. The rooms were spacious and elegantly decorated, providing a luxurious and comfortable stay. What made the hotel particularly memorable was the exceptional service. The staff were incredibly attentive and went out of their way to ensure my needs were met. Additionally, the hotel's dining options were exquisite, with a variety of international cuisines prepared by top chefs. The combination of luxurious accommodations, outstanding service, and excellent food made my stay unforgettable. 165. Describe a recent experience you had staying at a hotel. Question. Can you describe a recent experience you had staying at a hotel? Storyline. Name and location of the hotel, room and facilities, services provided, overall experience, conclusion. Answer. Recently, I stayed at the Lotte Hotel in Busan for a weekend getaway. The hotel is located in a bustling area, close to shopping centers and tourist attractions. The room I stayed in was modern and well-equipped, with a comfortable bed and a beautiful view of the city. The hotel facilities included a fitness center, an indoor pool, and several dining options. The service was impeccable, with friendly staff who were always ready to assist. I enjoyed a relaxing stay, taking advantage of the hotel's amenities and exploring the local area. Overall, it was a pleasant and rejuvenating experience. Reservations. 166. Describe the types of reservations you usually make. Question. Can you describe the types of reservations you usually make? Storyline. Travel reservations, flights, hotels, restaurant reservations, medical appointments, other reservations, conclusion. Answer. I frequently make various types of reservations in my daily life. For travel, I often book flights and hotels in advance to ensure availability and get the best rates. I also make restaurant reservations, especially for popular places, to avoid long wait times. Additionally, I schedule appointments for medical checkups and other healthcare services. Occasionally, I also reserve tickets for events, such as concerts, theater performances, and movies. These reservations help me plan my activities and ensure everything runs smoothly. 167. Describe how you usually make reservations in detail. Question. Can you describe how you usually make reservations in detail? Storyline. Online reservations, using apps, phone reservations, confirming and changing reservations. Conclusion. Answer. I usually make reservations online as it is the most convenient method. For travel reservations like flights and hotels, I use websites such as Expedia or directly book through airline and hotel websites. For restaurant reservations, I often use apps like OpenTable or the restaurant's official site. When it comes to medical appointments, I either use healthcare apps or call the clinic directly. After making a reservation, I always check for confirmation emails or messages to ensure the booking is secured. If I need to make any changes, I use the same platforms to modify or cancel the reservations. 168. Describe a reservation experience you had when you were a child. Question. Can you describe a reservation experience you had when you were a child? Storyline. Family trip reservation, preparation process, how the reservation was confirmed. Conclusion. Answer. When I was a child, I remember my family planning a vacation to Jeju Island. My parents handled most of the reservations, but they involved me in the process to teach me how it worked. We booked flights and a hotel room well in advance to ensure we could travel during the peak holiday season. I remember helping to check the confirmation emails and making a note of the reservation details. This experience was exciting because it made the upcoming trip feel more real, and it was a great learning opportunity about planning and organization. 169. Describe a memorable reservation experience you had. Question. Can you describe a memorable reservation experience you had? Storyline. Memorable reservation, restaurant, trip. Difficulty in the reservation process, how the problem was solved. Conclusion. Answer. One memorable reservation experience I had was booking a table at a very popular restaurant for a special occasion. It was my friend's birthday, and I wanted to surprise them with a dinner at this renowned place. However, the restaurant was fully booked for weeks. I kept checking their reservation system daily for any cancellations and finally managed to secure a table. On the day of the dinner, everything went smoothly, and my friend was thrilled with the surprise. The effort I put into securing the reservation made the occasion even more special, and it taught me the value of persistence and planning. Free time. 170. Describe the places people in Korea go to during their free time. Question. Can you describe the places people in Korea go to during their free time? Storyline. Popular places during free time, parks, cafes, shopping malls, movie theaters, other favorite places. Conclusion. Answer. In Korea, people often spend their free time in a variety of places. Parks are very popular, especially for families and those who enjoy outdoor activities. Cafes are also a favorite spot, where people can relax, chat with friends, or enjoy a good book. Shopping malls are frequently visited, offering a combination of shopping, dining, and entertainment. Movie theaters are another common destination for those looking to watch the latest films. Additionally, many people enjoy visiting cultural sites like museums, galleries, and historical landmarks. These diverse options provide plenty of opportunities for leisure and recreation. 171. Describe the activities people in Korea do during their free time. Question. Can you describe the activities people in Korea do during their free time? Storyline. Exercise, shopping, watching movies, reading, other leisure activities. Conclusion. Answer. During their free time, people in Korea engage in a wide range of activities. Many enjoy exercising, whether it's jogging in the park, hiking in the mountains, or working out at the gym. Shopping is a popular pastime, with people exploring malls and markets for the latest trends and bargains. Watching movies is another favorite activity, whether at home or in theaters. Reading is also common, with people spending time at bookstores or libraries. Other leisure activities include visiting cultural sites, attending concerts and events, and participating in hobbies like cooking, painting, or playing musical instruments. These activities help people relax and enjoy their time off. 172. Compare your free time in the past with the present. Question. Can you compare your free time in the past with the present? Storyline. Free time during childhood, current free time, changes in main activities, conclusion. Answer. When I was younger, my free time was mostly spent playing outside with friends, riding bikes, and participating in various sports. I also enjoyed watching cartoons and playing video games. Nowadays, my free time activities have changed significantly. I still enjoy physical activities, but I am more likely to go to the gym or take a yoga class. I also spend more time reading, both for pleasure and for professional development. Additionally, I enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes, as well as exploring cultural activities like visiting museums and attending concerts. These changes reflect my evolving interests and priorities as I have grown older. 173. Describe what you did in your recent free time. Question. Can you describe what you did in your recent free time? Storyline. Free time activity, reason for the activity, satisfaction with the experience, conclusion. Answer. Recently, during my free time, I decided to explore a new hiking trail near my city. I had heard great things about the scenic views and wanted to experience it for myself. The hike was challenging but rewarding, with breathtaking landscapes and fresh air that made the effort worthwhile. After the hike, I visited a local cafe to relax and enjoy a refreshing drink. The combination of physical activity and relaxation made for a perfect day. I felt rejuvenated and content, appreciating the balance of adventure and leisure in my free time. Family, friends. 174. Describe a family member or friend you see often. Question. Can you describe a family member or friend you see often? Storyline. Introduce the person, their personality and characteristics, activities done together, conclusion. Answer. One of the friends I see most often is my best friend, Jane. She is a kind and outgoing person with a great sense of humor. Jane is always there to lend a helping hand and offer support. We enjoy spending time together, whether it's going out for coffee, watching movies, or just talking about our lives. Her positive attitude and energy make every moment enjoyable, and I always look forward to our meetups. 175. Compare two family members or friends, similarities, differences. Question. Can you compare two family members or friends, similarities, differences? Storyline. Introduce the two people, similarities, differences, conclusion. Answer. I have two close friends, John and Mike. Both are great friends, but they have distinct personalities. John is very organized and always plans things in advance, while Mike is more spontaneous and enjoys taking things as they come. Despite these differences, they both share a great sense of humor and a love for outdoor activities. We often go hiking or camping together, and their contrasting approaches make our trips both well-prepared and adventurous. Their different strengths and perspectives add balance to our group dynamics. 176. Describe what you usually do when you meet family or friends. Question. Can you describe what you usually do when you meet family or friends? Storyline. Common activities when meeting. Reasons for the activities, enjoyment of the activities, conclusion. Answer. When I meet up with family or friends, we usually enjoy a variety of activities. Commonly, we go out to eat at our favorite restaurants and catch up over a nice meal. Sometimes we watch movies or attend local events together. On weekends, we might go hiking or have a picnic in the park. These activities allow us to relax, have fun, and strengthen our bonds. The shared experiences and conversations make our time together meaningful and enjoyable. 177. Describe something you recently did with family or friends. Question. Can you describe something you recently did with family or friends? Storyline. Recent activity with family or friends, enjoyment and significance of the activity, satisfaction with the experience, conclusion. Answer. Recently, I went on a weekend trip with my family to a nearby beach. We spent the days swimming, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball. In the evenings, we had barbecues and watched the sunset together. The trip was a wonderful opportunity to relax and create lasting memories. It was a fun and refreshing experience, and we all enjoyed the quality time spent together away from our usual routines. 178. Describe a special event or holiday you spent with family or friends. Question. Can you describe a special event or holiday you spent with family or friends? Storyline. Introduce the special event or holiday, activities of the day, reasons for being special, conclusion. Answer. One of the most special events I spent with my family was last year's Thanksgiving. We all gathered at my grandparents' house, bringing dishes we had prepared. The day was filled with laughter, delicious food, and heartfelt conversations. We also shared what we were thankful for, which made the day even more meaningful. The warmth and togetherness we felt made it a truly memorable holiday. It was a perfect reminder of the importance of family and gratitude. 179. Describe what you do when you visit a family member's or friend's house. Question. Can you describe what you do when you visit a family member's or friend's house? Storyline. Activities during the visit, enjoyment of the activities, frequency and reasons for visits, conclusion. Answer. When I visit my friend Lisa's house, we usually start by catching up over a cup of coffee. We then often move to the living room to watch our favorite TV shows or movies. Sometimes we cook dinner together, trying out new recipes and enjoying the process. We also like to play board games or just talk about everything that's been going on in our lives. These visits are always relaxing and enjoyable, providing a great way to unwind and connect. 180. Describe an experience from when you were a child visiting a family member's or friend's house. Question. Can you describe an experience from when you were a child visiting a family member's or friend's house? Storyline. Introduce the family member or friend's house, activities during the visit, memories from the visit, conclusion. Answer. As a child, I often visited my grandparents' house during the summer holidays. Their house was in the countryside, surrounded by fields and a small forest. We spent our days playing outside, exploring the woods, and helping in the garden. In the evenings, we would gather around the table for homemade meals and storytelling. These visits were filled with adventure and learning, creating some of my fondest childhood memories. 181. Describe a recent visit to a family member's or friend's house. Question. Can you describe a recent visit to a family member's or friend's house? Storyline. Introduce the recently visited house, activities during the visit, satisfaction with the experience, conclusion. Answer. Recently, I visited my cousin's new apartment. It was beautifully decorated with a modern touch, making it feel cozy and inviting. During my visit, we spent time chatting in the living room, catching up on each other's lives. We also cooked dinner together, trying out a new recipe she had found. After dinner, we played some board games and had a great time laughing and enjoying each other's company. The visit was delightful and reinforced our close bond, making me appreciate the time spent with family even more. Holidays. 182. Describe the places and activities people in Korea engage in during holidays. Question. Can you describe the places and activities people in Korea engage in during holidays? Storyline. Popular places during holidays, parks, beaches, mountains, common activities, camping, picnicking, traveling, conclusion. Answer. In Korea, popular places for spending holidays include parks, beaches, and mountains. Many people enjoy outdoor activities such as camping and picnicking in national parks. Beaches are a favorite destination during the summer, where families and friends gather to swim, sunbathe, and play beach games. Hiking in the mountains is also a common holiday activity, offering scenic views and a chance to connect with nature. Additionally, many people take advantage of long holidays to travel domestically or abroad, exploring new destinations and experiencing different cultures. 183. Describe in detail the activities people do during the holidays mentioned above. Question. Can you describe in detail the activities people do during the holidays mentioned above? Storyline. Activities in parks, activities at the beach, activities in the mountains. Conclusion. Answer. During holidays in parks, people engage in various activities such as having picnics, playing sports like soccer or badminton, and simply relaxing on the grass. Families often bring along food and enjoy a meal together in the open air. At the beach, people swim in the sea, build sandcastles, and participate in water sports like jet skiing or paddleboarding. Children especially love playing in the sand and shallow water. In the mountains, hiking is a popular activity where people trek along trails, enjoy the fresh air, and take in the stunning views. Some also camp overnight, enjoying campfires and stargazing. These activities make holidays enjoyable and memorable. 184. Describe a special holiday memory from your childhood. Question. Can you describe a special holiday memory from your childhood? Storyline. Introduce the special holiday, activities and memories of the day, why it was special. Conclusion. Answer. One of my most special holiday memories from childhood is a trip to Jeju Island during Chuseok. My family and I spent the holiday exploring the island's beautiful landscapes and unique attractions. We visited the famous Manjungal Cave and hiked up Halasan Mountain. One day, we had a big family picnic at a beach, where we played games and enjoyed delicious traditional Korean food. This holiday was special because it was a rare occasion when our entire extended family gathered together. The combination of exploring new places and spending quality time with loved ones made it an unforgettable experience. 185. Describe in detail what you did on your most recent holiday. Question. Can you describe in detail what you did on your most recent holiday? Storyline. Recent holiday activities, reasons and enjoyment of the activities, satisfaction with the experience. Conclusion. Answer. On my most recent holiday, I decided to take a relaxing day trip to a nearby countryside village. I started the day with a scenic drive, enjoying the beautiful autumn foliage along the way. Upon arrival, I visited a local market where I bought fresh produce and handmade crafts. I then spent the afternoon hiking a gentle trail that offered stunning views of the surrounding hills and farmlands. For lunch, I enjoyed a picnic by a tranquil river, savoring the peaceful ambiance. The day ended with a visit to a historic temple, where I spent some time reflecting and taking in the serene environment. This holiday was incredibly refreshing and provided a perfect escape from the busy city life. 186. Describe the types of holidays in Korea and what people do during these holidays. Question. Can you describe the types of holidays in Korea and what people do during these holidays? Storyline. Major holidays, Seollal, Chuseok, Children's Day, traditional activities during each holiday, modern activities. Conclusion. Answer. Korea has several major holidays, including Seollal, Lunar New Year, Chuseok, Harvest Festival, and Children's Day. During Seollal, families gathered to perform ancestral rites, eat traditional foods like tteokguk, rice cake soup, and play folk games. Chuseok is similar, with families coming together to give thanks for the harvest, enjoy a feast, and visit their ancestral graves. On Children's Day, parents often take their children to amusement parks, zoos, or museums to celebrate. In addition to these traditional activities, many people also use these holidays to travel, either domestically or abroad, taking advantage of the time off to relax and explore new places. 187. Explain the concerns or worries people have regarding holidays. Question. Can you explain the concerns or worries people have regarding holidays? Storyline. Concerns about holidays, traffic congestion, increased costs, health issues, overeating, excessive drinking, stress management. Conclusion. Answer. One of the main concerns people have regarding holidays is traffic congestion. During major holidays like Seollal and Chuseok, millions of people travel to visit family, leading to severe traffic jams on highways and crowded public transport. Another concern is the increased cost associated with holidays, such as higher prices for travel, accommodation, and festive meals. Health issues are also a worry, as people tend to overeat and drink excessively during celebrations, which can lead to discomfort and long-term health problems. Additionally, some people feel stressed due to the pressure of organizing gatherings and meeting family expectations. Managing these concerns requires careful planning and moderation to ensure holidays are enjoyable and not burdensome.